Today's journey takes us all the way to Highland, Michigan, where I visit Armstrong Millworks, which started around 1948. Armstrong is a full-service mill with all domestic woods and also 20 plus exotic woods, which, hang on, you will see. And as I first start to look around and control the amount of drool starting to reservoir out of my yapper, I had to go back and check out this bundle here, which is Birdseye Maple sale. So much fun looking through and finding pieces that just give inspiration, and that's exactly what this is. It's part of the process I enjoy the most, is digging through and finding some gems. Just looking for something that's catching the eye. Now, I came here because I needed some white ash. All right, let me just explain what I am looking for here, because I have made a few mistakes at the beginning, and that is basically different colors. If you're building a guitar, and especially if you're dyeing, you want to make sure that in this case, ash is about as close to the same color as possible, and there isn't some type of ring that's brown. So this piece here has all of the rings that I'm looking for, so that way we will be able to dig into that and put color into that. So this looks like the magic piece right here. White oak, 8/4. All right, so I also just noticed they have 8/4 alder. This is a guitar builder's heaven. All right, so after a little bit of chit chat with the salesman, I got to see the 8/4 and 12 supply in a basement underneath a barn. Oh my God. So, looky here, folks. Black Limba, 8/4. Unbelievably beautiful. Looks like quilted or curly maple. 8/4 curly maple. Jesus. 8/4 zebra wood. 8/4 babinga. Jesus. So we are underneath a barn where all their 8/4 and larger pieces are stored. All right, here's the upstairs. This is literally where dreams come true. Hey, you want a 20-foot curly maple? Jesus, we got you. To the ceiling. That was a very productive and enlightening trip to Armstrong's lumber mill up here in Michigan. If you're in the area, it's well worth it. I also got 3 cutoff pieces that are Birdseye Maple. Unbelievable. Huge. Now I gotta go home. A big thank you again to the whole staff at Armstrong. They were kind enough to take me around and show me just about everything. Very appreciated that. Now, I have this next started for this next guitar build for a commission, and now it's time to mill down this beautiful piece of white ash for the body. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, bells, all that business. And I'm gonna make a guitar. So should you.